Hi friends, today let's talk about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is an occasion which is celebrated in various parts of the world to express respect, honor, and love towards mothers. It is celebrated on the second Sunday in May. The day is an event to honor the contribution of mothers and celebrate the bond between a mother and her child. This day is set aside to express love, respect, and thanks to mothers. The day is observed by giving gifts, visiting or taking mothers out for dinner, and celebrations. Can you imagine a world without mothers? I can't. Most all of us owe our mothers so much for all the hard work, love, and patience they showed while raising us. There is nothing quite like the love of a mother, isn't it?
Thank you for watching.